Have you ever uploaded a video and at the YouTube studio it's showing 0 views? Don't panic. I have got a quick fix coming right up. So stay tuned and watch to the end. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. So when you upload a video, YouTube will take some minutes or hours to process your videos. Do you understand? So at this time, at the process of processing your videos, your viewers might not show at your YouTube studio. Do you understand? So what you have to do is to calm down after some hours, because it normally takes some hours or some minutes. After some hours or some minutes, after some hours, then you go back to your YouTube studio to go and check. It will surely surface there. Do you understand? So that is why sometimes when you upload your video, it will not show. The views will not count. It will still be showing 0 views. Why at your channel the views are there? Okay, so don't panic. Once you see something like this, give it some time, because YouTube is taking some time to process your viewers. Okay, so once you notice this now, later on you can still go back to your YouTube studio to go and check your viewers. Go to your analytics. That is when you log into your YouTube studio. I hope every YouTuber have a YouTube studio. When you log into your YouTube studio, go to your analytics. When you reach your analytics, go to read time. Under that your read time, then you will see the number of viewers that watch your video. So this is what you are going to do if you notice that your views is not showing on your YouTube studio. Do you understand me now? So when you are done with all this that I mentioned now, and still it's not showing, but it's not still showing there, maybe your video might still be on private or on list. Check your YouTube studio. If your video is still on private or on list, then you make sure you put your video on public or on list. So now another thing again that can cause 0 views on your channel is bad thumbnail. Yes, if you have a bad thumbnail, your video, there will not be views on your video. So you have to make sure you check your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is okay, then if your thumbnail is not okay, change your thumbnail. You can still change it up to 3 times or 4 times. Change your thumbnail so that it will also attract the viewers. Then if you're uploading your video, you can still make use of your Chrome. If you want to upload your video, make use of your Chrome. Then at that your Chrome, there is where they wrote A/B test. There you have to upload more than 3. You have to upload up to 3 thumbnails. Once you upload up to that 3 different thumbnails that you create, then YouTube will select the one that attracts viewers. So that is why it's important to upload your video through Chrome. I don't know whether you understand. So upload your video through Chrome so that you make use of those features that YouTube provide for us there, like that A/B test thumbnail, so that YouTube will help you to select the one that attracts the viewers faster. Another thing again that might be holding your video again from getting views is tags. Why I'm saying this is because of I have experienced it on my videos, some of my videos there, that I upload a video, but I didn't add the video tags, so the video stuck on 0 views. But once I started adding video tags there, it starts getting views. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying now. So these tags that I'm saying now is not your channel tags. Yes, once you upload a video, you have to add your hashtags. That hashtags is being added. That hashtags, you are going to place it under your description. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. Under your description, you place your hashtags. Under your description, you place your hashtags, and that hashtag is up to 3, either 3 or 4 hashtags. Do you understand what I mean now? So you have to place your hashtags first. Then after that, your hashtags, there is another tags that you are going to place, which is the video tags. So if you didn't add your video tags, your video is going to stuck, because YouTube want to know the particular audience that you are referring to. So that is why you have to add that your that's your video tags too. And that your video tags normally be plenty. Some used to be up to 12, some used to be up to 5. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. So you have to place it first if you know that your video are going to get views. Okay, another thing again that will make you to get 0 views is that if you are new on this platform. Yes, like for example now, if you are new on YouTube, you're not going to get the views for the moment because the algorithm want to know the type of audience your content is made for. So you have to be keep on uploading so that the algorithm will know the type of content that you upload and know the type of audience that they are going to push your content to. So once you are new to the platform and you're not getting any views, don't panic. Just be uploading your video, be doing the thing that you're supposed to do the way you're supposed to do it. Create your eye-catchy thumbnail, your good title, your good description, your good tags, your good hashtags and everything. So once you do all these things, surely you are going to get the views. Okay, so if you are new to the platform, don't panic, you are still going to get the views. Just continue all these things that I mentioned now, you are going to get there. Okay, so another thing again you're going to do in order to get the views is to verify your account. Yes, there are some people that when they finish creating your channels like this, they will start uploading a video. And if you didn't verify your account, you're not going to upload up to 15 minutes video and you're not going to go live. Do you understand what I mean? So now what are you going to do? Once you create your channel, go and verify your YouTube account so that YouTube will not see your video as a robot. Okay, so verify your YouTube account by adding your phone number there. Make sure you add your phone number there so that your account will be verified. Okay, and again you start going live and uploading your 15 up to 15 minutes video. So these are the things that are preventing your channel from getting views, and as you are applying all these things that I'm mentioning now, surely your channel must surely get views. I'm assuring you that your channel must get views. So another thing again you have to do for your channel to get views is that you have to upload short. Yes, upload short. There are some content creators out there that are saying that short doesn't help, short doesn't count. Yes, short doesn't count, but there is a way that you will do it so that it will help your channel to grow, to get that views that you're looking for. Okay, so let's assume now that you are creating content about vlog now. So on your short form of your video, create content about that your vlog only. Then there is a place that you have to link your long form content to your short form content so that it will attract more audience. That place, make sure you link your long form content so that it will attract the viewers. Once they finish watching that your short, they will be able to click down there to check other videos that you have about that your vlog. Thereby you have already draw your viewers from the short form content to the long form content. I don't know whether you understand what I mean now. So there are also the ways that we can increase your views from 0 to millions and thousands of views. Okay, so short doesn't kill channel. Short also help to increase your viewers, especially if you're not getting views, and short also help you to get your subscribers faster. Okay, because it is being pushed to a wider audience as well. So another thing again that will make your video not to get views is inconsistency. Yes, if you are consistent, you will surely get views on your channel. Just whether you are getting the views, do the rightful thing, do the needful things, more especially good title, good thumbnail, hashtags, tags too. Make sure you put all these things in order. Now make sure you put all these tags that I said now. So make sure you put all these tags in order. I keep on repeating it. Your video tags, your hashtags, which is under your description, your good description, your optimized description, your good title, and your good thumbnail. These are the things that will help to push your video to a good audience. And when you are putting your tags, make sure the tags that you put resonate with the content, the type of content that you are creating. Do you understand? For example, now that I'm creating content about YouTube tips and YouTube growth now, I cannot come and just be adding tags about vlogging, this and that. I don't know whether you understand, a day in my life. I cannot come out and add those tags on my channel. Do you understand? Because my channel is not all about vlogging. It is mainly for YouTube tips and the rest of them. Do you understand? So know the correct tags that you are going to put there. That is why I advise you to make sure of your video queue, so that it will help you to generate a good tags for your channel. Okay, so when you are doing all those things, make sure you do everything complete and be consistent. Be consistent. If you can be uploaded 3 times in a week, just stick to it and upload 3 times in a week, and you come back and testify in this channel. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Thanks very much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. You can suggest the type of video you want to see next in this channel. Thanks so much. I love you all. Bye bye.